Good morning, Good morning, respected teachers and all my colleagues. Today we have given the opportunity to speak on the topic role of physician in healthcare system. Myself, Meenaksh Khairnar, she is Masu Kazi, Devanshi Khare, Payal Kose, Aryan Kendre and Shashank Khandevarad. So basically, what is the so So basically, what is a healthcare system? A healthcare system is the organization of people, institutions, and resources that deliver healthcare services to meet health needs of target population. The major role in this healthcare system is of physician. So who is a physician? A person qualified to practice medicine, especially one who specializes in diagnosis and medical treatments as a distinct from surgery. So here we would like to show off some clip to show the current scenario of healthcare system in India.
population of the city of Chandigarh. Out of these cases, nearly 700 reportedly died.
Some of the routine health programs have really taken the back seat, and I must get back to all our health programs, especially the tuberculosis program, because there are very many people in this country who need that tuberculosis treatment and who need efficient health programs and who need to implement treating tuberculosis. So that should be a priority public health program. There's no doubt about it. The solution is not to continue the studies. The solution is to bring about a system in which there is public financing to the extent that the routine of the health expenses are taken care of by public funding, tax-based funding, and even the health insurance schemes that the government is introducing should be all pooled together in a manner that there is a single payer system. Nobody should be forced to spend on it, particularly when there is a public health emergency and people's lives are at stake. So people definitely require a different system. The lateral opportunity for the private sector to grow, particularly after the economic reforms permitted a lot of liberalization of private investment and global investment. So the private sector has to fulfill in after the space vacated by the public sector. But I do not believe that the private sector should vacate the space entirely. The public sector should actually occupy mostly prominent place in the healthcare system.
This isn't going to be the last pandemic we witness. We need to prioritize healthcare and be better prepared.
As we have seen in this video, to improve the condition of present healthcare system, physicians play an important role. The following are the physician's role in healthcare system. Role as a team leader. Physician as a team leader play extremely important role in motivating his or her staff and ensuring their success. They are responsible for assessing the performance and evaluation. A physician should set a clear team goal, delegate tasks and set project deadlines, oversees day-to-day team operations and performance, create a health motivating work environment and atmosphere to develop a design motivating evolution programs. Diagnosing and treating the patients. Physicians have many duties towards the patient. Prescribe the right medications, tell patient about the advantages, disadvantages, risks and alternatives regarding proposed treatment or operation, provide adequate follow-up up to the patient within a reasonable amount of time, avoid prescribing unnecessary tests for diagnosis of disease. Patient-generated health data. It is one of the new concepts in India. Many of the foreign countries are still doing this concept, using this concept. Patient-generated health data should be created and monitored by the physician. This data should be gathered from a patient or their family members to help address any medical concern. This data complements clinical data, providing a more comprehensive view of patient's health. PGHD can include personal health records, treatment histories, biometric data, and symptoms, etc. This all data will be fed in system and patient privacy will also be maintained. There should be a system in hospitals for feeding this data so that in future we can refer this data for patient's treatment. And next presentation will be continued by my colleague Masur Ghazi.
Participating in national health programs, the physician or a group of physicians organize both mobile health camps and composite health camps in remote areas where there are no medical facilities. Over 700 patients receive free care each month at mobile health camps and about 270 patients receive free care each month at the composite health camps. 7 to 8 new camps are being organized each month. More and more children ages 6 to 14 are now receiving medical and dental care. Managing epidemics and pandemics. Doctors form an essential part of an effective response to the pandemic. They have critical roles in diagnosis, containment and treatment of the disease, though they have high risk of infection. Epidemics were frequent and medicines remained almost exclusive. Even with all these obstacles, physicians were able to overcome all these difficulties. These are the opportunities of professional success for the physicians. Professionalism and respect towards doctors. Healthcare is delivered by teams of professionals who needs to communicate well, respecting the principles of honesty, respect for others, confidentiality and responsibility for their actions. How we can improve our professionalism in a health job? Patient comes first. Observe patient's privacy rules at all times. Be courteous and polite to everyone. Accept your assignments without complaining. Try to learn something new and dress professionally. Training of PG doctors. Post-graduation degree gives doctors the option to specialize in various medical disciplines, creating opportunities for career advancement and professional growth. The skills and qualities you develop during PG will enhance your qualification. A PG degree also gives you opportunities to pursue a specialist area of interest.
Now there is one small act on that patient-generated health data. So we will present that act in front of you. In this act, there is one patient who is coming in the hospital, and he is a new patient, and all the data will be fed in the system. And for further recommendations, like in future, you will be able to get the prescription, all the medication from that website and the system.
हेलो सर, आप यहाँ पे न्यू पेशेंट हो या यहाँ पे पहले भी आ चुके हो?
आई एम न्यू हियर सर, पहली बार हूँ।
ठीक है, तो मैं आपको सिस्टम में रजिस्टर करवा देता हूँ। आपका नाम क्या है?
नाम आर्यन केंद्र।
आपकी एज?
19 ईयर्स।
आप 2 मिनट के लिए यहाँ पर बैठ जाइए, मैं आपको डॉक्टर पाल के पास थोड़ी देर में सेंड करता हूँ। अभी मैंने डॉक्टर पाल को सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉरवर्ड कर दी है। अभी
हेलो मैम।
हेलो, आप मिस्टर आर्यन है ना?
यस मैम।
ओके, आइए। तो बताइए आपको क्या तकलीफ हो रही है?
एक्चुअली मैम पिछले 2 दिनों से मेरे लेफ्ट आई में बहुत ज़्यादा इरिटेशन है और कंटिन्यूस पानी भी बह रहा है।
ओके, तो पहले मैं आपको चेक कर लेती हूँ। इसमें मैंने प्रिस्क्रिप्शन आपके लिए लिख दी है और आप अभी असिस्टेंट डॉक्टर देवांशी को लेके जाइए और वो आपको आगे का मेडिकेशन समझा देगी।
थैंक यू मैम।
ओके।
हेलो मैम।
हेलो मिस्टर आर्यन, बैठ जाइए। नहीं एक्चुअली मैम ने आपकी सारी डिटेल्स सिस्टम में फीड कर दी है, मुझे प्रिस्क्रिप्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं। ओके, सो आपको इरिटेशन होना है इसमें। ओके, मैं आपका आई चेकअप कर लेती हूँ। तो आपको चीज़ बताइए, आप कौन सा मंथ तक रीड कर सकते हैं? ओके, मैंने आपके सारे मेडिकेशंस फार्मासिस्ट को सेंड कर दिए हैं। अब वहाँ से जाके अपनी सारी मेडिसिन ले लीजिए।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है?
आर्यन केंद्र।
ये लीजिए आपकी दवाइयाँ, मैंने यहाँ पर पहले से तैयार करके रख दी थी।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। ये दवाइयाँ तो कब लेंगे?
आपको आपके मोबाइल पे मैसेज आपका लॉगिन आईडी और आपका पासवर्ड सेंड कर दिया जा चुका है। आप उसमें लॉगिन करके आप चेक कर सकते हैं आपको दवाइयाँ कब लेनी है और आपका आज का ट्रीटमेंट किस हिसाब से था। आप उसके ऊपर हमें फीडबैक भी दे सकते हैं कि हमारे सिस्टम में और क्या सुधार करना चाहिए।
थैंक यू सर। इट इज़ सच अ गुड हॉस्पिटल कि यहाँ पे मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी कि यहाँ पे प्रिस्क्रिप्शन देना पड़े या किसी को कुछ पूछना पड़े। ऑलरेडी मेरी दवाइयाँ यहाँ पे तैयार थी। मे बी आप सब लोग कुछ हुआ तो यही पर इस हॉस्पिटल में आइए, सब अच्छा है।
जैसा अभी हमने ये रोल प्ले में देखा कि पेशेंट को कितनी आसानी से सारी फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल हो गई, क्योंकि ये हॉस्पिटल का हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम बहुत इफेक्टिव था, जिसके कारण पेशेंट को तुरंत ट्रीटमेंट मिला और उसके प्रॉब्लम्स इमीडिएटली एड्रेस हो गए। साथ ही इंफॉर्मेशन बेस तैयार रहने से उसकी मेडिकल हिस्ट्री और आगे की फॉलोअप्स और कॉम्प्लिकेशंस को एड्रेस करने में भी आसानी होगी। Access to comprehensive quality healthcare services is important for promoting and maintaining health, preventing and managing disease, reducing unnecessary disability and premature death, and for achieving health equity. Thank you.
एक्चुअली अभी जो कहने जा रहा हूँ कुछ स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है, बट अभी ये हमारा जो एक्ट है वो हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम का है। हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम, अब सिस्टम का तो कोई मजाक नहीं बना सकते ना, इसलिए कुछ कॉमेडी वॉमेडी नहीं है, बस पूरा एक्ट एक प्लेन था। और इसमें भी हमने ये ट्राई किया है कि हम सिस्टम को कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, लाइक कि पेशेंट को कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, उसकी पर्ची भी अगर गुम हो गई या उसकी मेडिकेशन की चिट्स भी गुम हो गई तो वहाँ पे किसी से भी जाके उसको लॉगिन आईडी इंटरनेट है वहाँ से ले सकते हैं।
Thank you.